Hi everyone. In this video, I will talk about imbibition and active transport. Let's get started, sorry. So imbibition is the process that seeds or some solid substance and large molecules, for example, cellulose and starch, absorb water without forming a solution, without dissolving. Like starch and large molecules cannot be dissolved in water. It just uptake water, absorb water. And those solid substances do not dissolve, like I said earlier, and it can cause increase in volume tremendously. And this process helps seed to germinate. Let's see in this picture. On the left, you have seed of probably peas, I'm not sure, under the dry condition, and then you start adding water and they start to get bigger and bigger to this one. So seed need to absorb water inside, and then that water can start the biochemical activities inside the seed, and then the seed can germinate. All right, so the next movement of particles is called active transport. Active transport is actually the movement or diffusion against the gradients. So on the top picture, you have normal diffusion. We call it passive transport because it occurs spontaneously. But in an active transport, the direction of movement is against the concentration gradient, and it cannot occur spontaneously. It needs an ATP to move, or it needs energy to move the molecules from lower concentration to the higher concentration. You can notice one more thing, that in active transport, you don't have just the membrane, but you do have a purple molecules, which is a protein that help moving the solute from this side to higher concentration side with an expenditure of energy, and energy in the cell is actually ATP. And ATP is one of the 4 bases in our DNA, the same thing. If you think about mangrove, just think about our previous video about osmotic potential, about pressure potential and water potential. Mangrove live or grow in the salty water, and in the salty water you have a lot of solute, you have a lot of salt outside of the cells. So let's imagine inside the cells you have higher concentration of water compared to the outside. So water will move out of the cells. How this mangrove survive then? It adapt a new technique to take the water back by using active transport to prevent the water from losing out of the cells. It take the water inside of the cells instead. All right, I will stop right here and we'll see you again in how the water moves throughout the plant body. Thank you.